Welcome to CRIBS Cooking Edition. I'm your host John, and this is my crib. Come on in. Let me introduce you to my sous chef, Kelly. She'll be helping us today by watching. Here we go. We have our wonderful pizza. We're going to go set it here. Thank you, Kelly, for your time. That, my friends, is a beautiful personal pizza.